Good morning, everybody, and welcome to your Monday assembly. So, I thought I would like to talk about our silver report with you, and you should see it coming up on some photographs on the screen. I've done it in communicating print so that it's accessible for absolutely everybody. Now, I want to just highlight the best bits, and we're going to come up with some ideas together about how to move forward to gold. Now, teaching and learning about rights. Astrid said in her report, rights has had a huge impact at Oscott Manor, and I'm sure you'll agree. And we're absolutely thrilled with how rights has had such a massive impact throughout the school, with the school community, with the pupils and the staff. The second outcome is called Teaching and Learning Through Rights, and Astrid particularly noticed that relationships are positive between all of us and children feel safe. And the last outcome is called Teaching and Learning for Rights, and she said pupil voice is significant, so that's good. And she also said the song is great. Now, we've had our work cut a bit short on that song, so I'm trying to think of ways to carry on. Now, as with every super report, we have some actions that we have to carry out. So Astrid said, everybody needs to know about the rights. We need to involve those parents more in learning about rights. And children need to be more involved in their learning, and we need some more involvement in community projects. So now, guys, I want your ideas. So email me your ideas, Twitter me your ideas. I don't mind. Let's just get these ideas sorted. Let's get the ball rolling, and let's go for gold. Stay safe, stay well, and keep washing those hands.